Jeremiah Campbell, Brickworks Property Restoration. We are at the Water Wheel Center in Northville, Michigan. This site dates back to 1825. In the early 1900s, Henry Ford bought this site and brought production into this building. Water is gonna get in, things are gonna break, things are gonna fail. And over time, partnering with Brickworks is always the right decision. I want you to follow me, come downstairs into the basement and look at some of our injection sites that we are about to take on. Here we are at the first injection site. One of the ways that we found the most reliable and cost-effective for your building is to use these high injection ports. What you're gonna watch us do here in a minute is we already pre-drilled the holes and we cross-pattern the crack and where the actual water is coming into the building. We're gonna put this port in there, and then we're gonna take this, hook this pump up, you're gonna see it here in a minute, and then we're gonna inject the foam into the wall. What it does is under high pressure, it actually will start to find the void, fill in the void, work its way up, and stop the water from coming in. Days after, you can come by and knock the nipple off of the port itself, and this crack is not gonna leak for several years to come. We are now at the second site. What you look underneath here, you'll see a wastewater pipe that comes down and it goes underneath the floor. So what happens is, since this is a basement and we're halfway underground, hydrostatic pressure, and what that is the water coming up underneath the floor, pushing up as the ground level, as the water table rises, it pushes. And so what we're doing is we're about to dump 2 more hoppers into a round under this. And so what the foam does is we inject it down, it works its way down, fills, and it'll work like a seat, and it pushes the pressure up underneath the floor so the water has more time to get to the drains to properly distribute it. Outside of high pressure injection, you're not really gonna find a way without busting open the floor. So this is actually a fraction, a tenth of the cost of what it would have taken to bust this floor open, let alone the disturbance to the unit. All we had to do was open up a little hole in the drywall right here, peel back the trim to get in there, and so, you can see the rust in there. It's been happening for a long time, which is causing all kinds of headaches to the tenants and the building owner. So high pressure injection is one of my favorite ways to mitigate and stop water, stopping water from getting into your unit. So if this is something that you got water coming in your building, this isn't our only trick that we have, but it's a proper way to stop the water permanently from getting into your building. Go to our website at brickworksmi.com or give us a call at 877-MASONRY today.